Hey everybody, this is Goose7732 or Zachary Willard. I'm here today with a challenge lock, Dante's Revenge by Lanspykey, made on 4822. There's keys in here. I'm gonna do top of the keyway. I'm gonna go counter. That's not working. And there it is. All right. Let's zoom out. All right, let's lock that bad boy back up. I had my light off. Sorry guys, I forgot about that. Okay. Alright, keys. Here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, that guy. Oh, spring came out with it. Oh, what's this? So it looks like they put some kind of stopper in the back here. Alright. Shim. As we should. All right, that's in. Now let's push through. All right, turn. Now we'll push. clean. Nothing else on the sides. Let's pull the keys out. All right. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. Let's move these guys around real quick. Come on. Just need to flip over. Alright. Flip this guy over. Alright. So on the core, let's see if I can zoom in just a little bit. Alright, so we've got threading on 1, 3. We've got some overmilling on 1, 3, 4, and 6. And we have undercutting on 4 and 6 as well. All right, that's the core. Shut out. Oh, let me refocus, guys. There we go. All right, I'm gonna pull the top ones out. There we go. Here's number 1. Number 2. All right, number, oh Jesus, 3. All right, number 4. Number 5. And then the last one, number 6. All right, now let's get all these springs out. Okay. Let's move these springs into their spots. Perfect. All right. I'll set that to the side. All righty. There we go. All right, we got some very nice pins here. So number 1, we've got some deep serrations. Number 2, we've got a spooled and a deep serration. Number 3, we've got a double pin and pin for the key and a pin and pin for the driver. The 4, we have 2 deep cut with taper. Number 5 is standard. Number 6 is another double pin and pin, or another single pin and pin. And then the driver for 6 is a tapered rounded driver. Very, very nice pins. That's a nice lock. I'm gonna put this bad boy back together. As always, everybody, stay legal and keep picking.